Okay, guys, sorry. I'll just wrap it up. Because I was doing a thing, my Siemens motor that glued, yeah, the wire broke in there. And we have to solve it. I'll do it in a minute. Okay, guys, finally I have made it. I have left for it like this and ate my food and now resumed it. Come on, let's get the cover back. Hey, where is the screw? Hey, I need the screws out. If it will be in, how I will take it out. Okay, guys, this is suddenly made. I have not used any glue anywhere. Yeah, hot glue. Yeah, anything. I have not used it anywhere. But I have used one thing sure. Screw. Only screws. Where one screw? I need one.
वहीं रखें सारे स्क्रू उसके बगल में ही है उधर है उधर 4
Where's the one?
अरे वहाँ है 4 वो रखे उधर उधर उधर
Hey, here it is. It's in there. Yeah. Okay. Let me tighten it. Guys, have you ever thought I can make this machine? Viewers, this is my first machine in my handmade in my whole life. And also, I have charged this master. That's a difference. And it moves like this. It is not full charge. It does. Come on, the only thing is like this. And you guys saw already my 997 motor that I have made the video in my previous videos. Okay? Now I'll have the link in the description after this video ends. And now I'm going to turn it on and test it for you before. But only after fitting this cover. I like this cover. It's a little bit on my That's done. I should put it in my box. In the box. Then I'm going to run it. Don't think this is an AC motor. This is a DC motor. That's why this power supply. Where's that other screw? Hey, down there. I'll lift it up. Now let me fit it. Thing. Let me fit this one first. Let me fit this one first. Oh no, we shall fit that. But I am shocked, guys. I have not saw this big thread one.
pitch.
Yeah, peach. Okay.
4 रिवॉल्यूशन चाहिए इसको बस
There we go. This screw is the base. Take it out.
दूसरी जगह लगा दो ना थोड़ा सा हैमर कर देना
Guys, we always see that. That happens in self-tapping screws. But if it is tapped, it will not happen. You just have to just remove it. It will be like a nut. Hey! So now let's see again. when we're tapping a screw. Okay, please guys. I don't want to hurt. He has over here a big cut. He was tightening a self-tapping screw and nearby his hand and it plugged in his hand. That's okay. Okay, let's plug it in. That should be off. It's turning on. Okay, turn it on. Why it's not turning on? Is the problem? Oh, I can turn it on. Hey, definitely you guys. Hey, see this? I can eat my meat.
अब भाग रही है ये मशीन इधर उधर.
Hey, you know I can eat my meat. Oh my.
क्या इसके पाइप में ड्रिल करेगा क्या?
Yeah. Oh.
पोर्टेबल ड्रिल है.
Guys, this is really heavy. Hey, take the lid up. Enough.
अरे ये तो लगा दो टूल रिपेयरिंग मशीन तो.
Oh my god, I forgot the tool repairing machine board. Give me the board. Something. But I really want to know if we want to change the chuck drill, how we will.
Remove the cover and do it.
We'll remove the cover.
Yes, we remove the cover and.
Let's turn it on, maybe. Hey, I can stand over here, sit like this, and eat my meal and do my homework. Okay, come on. Hey, I didn't turn it on. Okay, turn it on.
ये लो.
Hey! Let's oh my, turn it off. What is the goggles?
वाइट जो सबसे नीचे रखा उसमें इसके यहीं इधर इधर सबसे नीचे इधर इधर वाइट वाले में इसमें यहीं नीचे देखो वाइट इसमें सेफ्टी गॉगल्स हैं ले आओ.
Here we go. Now I have washed this one. But another one, the 3M was written over there. I don't know where it is. Give me power. I need some power. More. It's a 36 motor, but I'm using it on the. Oh, sorry. I'm using it on. It's a 6,000 RPM 24 volt DC motor. Let me see. See the wood burning. No. Okay, turn it on. Hey, what's this? Okay, turn it on.
जहाँ पे आपने ड्रिल मारा उसके बगल में देखो जरा होल देखो कहाँ है आपका इसलिए स्लिप हुआ. देखो जरा कहाँ था होल. दूसरा होल देखो यहाँ पे था इसलिए स्लिप हुआ. उधर से उधर चला गया. वो काटने के लिए भी जगह चाहिए ना उसको.
Okay, turn it on.
बाकी कुछ नहीं हिल रहा. वो इट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग.
Okay, turn it on. Guys, now this machine is a success. Let's try it. Hey, definitely. The Curiousity should ask me.
काटने के लिए जगह होनी चाहिए। होल को काटने के लिए जगह होनी चाहिए, यहाँ मिलेगी जगह।
Okay. Hey, deafen me. Open this cover. There's a damage inside it. I see one damage. Guys, I really want to show you what's the damage, and I see it from there. Let's see, is it causing any damage in this work or not? Let me open. Hey, why am I opening it with my hand? Hey, turn it off! I don't. Okay. Hey, again. Here we go. I should say the screws. Now I'll change the beat and show you. No, I want to see what's the damage first. And then I'll change the bit and then show you.
Then we will stop the work.
Yeah.
Just open the cover, check it out and finish.
I'll fix it back too.
No, बाद में.
The screw will be.
It is 2 o'clock now. अब नहीं. 2 hours already.
Then I will do my typing work.
उसके बाद.
Hey, on me. When I'm talking to the viewers, not on the work, on me. Guys, then I'll do my typing on my computer. I'm putting the finger on ASDF and JKLM.
Yes.
And then type it on my computer, get on to my work.
Yes.
Because I always take break, because what do you call it? What he did is, he just break and...
Break is as good as rest.
Yeah, the break is as good as rest. So he thought to go to bath, and then he goes back to his work. But in the bathroom, he found the idea. Then went nuded out only and screaming like Eureka, Eureka, like that. Okay, come on, let's see what is the damage.
Archimedes.
Yeah, Archimedes. Okay. That's why I trust that oh my, ow, there is hot. What's the damage?
Nothing is wrong.
Oh my, the belt is loose.
Okay, we will tighten the belt.
Okay, let's tighten it.
Okay, बंद करूं?
Oh my gosh, the motor is